Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are here to present the topic of organ donation. This topic is not only about the health but also a matter of humanity and compassion. Every year, thousands of people find themselves under the names of organ transplant waiting list, hoping for the second chance of life. But unfortunately, many of them didn't receive any call due to shortage of organ. It is the ultimate gift as it has potential to save multiple lives. Imagine giving someone ability to see, ability to breathe without any difficulty, or live without any paralysis. These are not just medical miracles, but act of pure kindness. Moreover, many religions support organ donation, considering it as a charitable act of love. Choosing to become an organ donor, one can carry forward their legacy. Thank you. Now, Pankam will present the poster.
ही सगळी आमच्या पोस्टरची आउटलाईन आहे. ऑर्गन डोनेशन हा आमचा सब्जेक्ट आहे आणि हे ऑर्गन डोनेशनचं साईन. त्यानंतर आमच्या पोस्टरचं जे टायटल जे आहे ते आहे बी द होप चेंज युअर एंड समवन्स बिगिनिंग. त्यानंतर आम्ही काही जे चित्र जे आहेत ऑर्गन डोनेशन करतात त्याबद्दल आम्ही चित्र इथं रेखाटले आहेत. त्यामध्ये लिव्हर, किडनी, हार्ट, लंग्स आणि कॉर्निया येतं. त्यानंतर ही जी आहे आपलं पवित्र स्थान म्हणता येईल की जे हॉस्पिटल आहे. त्यानंतर हॉस्पिटलवरती त्या हॉस्पिटलमधले जे पेशंट आहेत ते हात पसरून हात वरती केलेले आपण पाहू शकतो. मनुष्य प्रजातीची एक वैशिष्ट्य म्हणावं लागेल की जर एखादा माणूस जर हात बसत असेल तर काहीतरी माणूस आहे असं होतं. तर वरी आपण पाहिल्यानुसार तो हा ऑर्गनकडे हात दाखवत आहे. तर हा ऑर्गनकडे हात दाखवत याचा अर्थ त्याकडे ती कमतरता आहे म्हणजे ती अभाव जर आपल्याला पूर्ण करायची असेल तर डोनेशनची गरज आहे. डोनेशनची जर गरज असेल तर अवेअरनेसची गरज आहे. अवेअरनेसची गरज असल्यामुळेच आपण सर्वजण इथं प्रेझेंट आहोत सध्या. त्यानंतर आपण बघू शकतो की वर्ल्ड ऑर्गन डोनेशन डे 13 ऑगस्ट जो इथं दर्शवला आहे. त्यानंतर एक डोनर किमान 8 लाईव्स मदत करू शकतो आपली ऑर्गन डोनेट करून, ते इथं सांगण्यात आलेलं आहे. तर ओव्हरऑल आपल्याला मला सांगता येईल की या पोस्टर प्रेझेंटेशन यू कॅन बी द हार्ट ऑफ अनदर पर्सन.
I am saying the need of organ donation. Why we are here to spread the awareness about organ donation. Why we need to donate our organs. We are living in the advanced life where the life is very fast. Where our sedentary lifestyle or the food we consume or the overall growth is being very advanced, but we are not paying attention to our health as much as we should. Here we are presenting organ donation. So I think we should pay attention to our health as much as we pay to or being advanced in our life or earning money. And the importance of organ donation. I think organ donation is such a topic where we are donating our organs to a patient, where we can save up to 8 lives just by donating our organs. And not only 8 but up to 75 lives could be saved when we donate our tissues or cornea. And bones and cornea are also the organs that we can donate.
In the name of the kidney transplantation, the most transplanted organ in India is the kidney, but the number of the transplantation is 12,000, which could not it is insufficient to establish the number of 8 to lakh renal failures per year. The kidney transplantation is the selfless act that filters out the fear and fills with the hope. It provides a second chance to the individuals who are suffering from the ESRD, that is the end-stage renal disease. And first kidney transplantation was performed in 1954. About 80% of the persons with undergone kidney transplantation can have a good renal functioning up to 5 years, and 40 to 50% of the patients up to the 10 years. Transplantation can add the years to the person's life and allowing them to spend time with their loved ones and pursue their dreams.
The importance of lung transplantation. Here the quote, "Inhale hope, exhale life," is a very powerful quote which represents the lung transplantation. Hope is the oxygen which suspends the spirit. It represents the process of transplantation in which a recipient inhales the hope and exhales the exhales the new life to lease a life.
Living transplantation is possible in the liver, as liver is the organ which has capacity of regeneration. A part of liver an adult man can give to another adult man or children. 93 transplants out of 100 are successful, and under 18 children who need the liver transplant, in that the liver transplant surgery has more results, and one can donate a piece of liver and piece of blood to others.
I will talk about the cornea, transplantation of cornea, which is also called as the cornea grafting. And in this procedure includes the cornea of the recipient is transplanted with the corneal tissues of the donor. And this method is also called as keratoplasty. And in all over the world, from 1961, more than 20 lakh people have had their eyesight restored since 1961, and after death in 4 to 6 hours eyes should be transplanted.
I want to tell about the heart. Today heart diseases are increasing very rapidly, and heart transplantation is a very difficult surgery, but still the success rate or survival rate of heart transplantation is 85%. So we should donate our heart, and our heart donation can be pumping life into another soul.
The approximate amount of the time required for the transplantation of a organ into the recipient for the organ is as follows. For the liver it is about 24 hours, for the kidneys it is about 72 hours, and for the heart it is 4 to 6 hours. For the heart valves it is about 10 years, and for the lungs it is 4 to 6 hours. For the cornea of eye it is about 7 days, and for the bones it is about 5 years.
Now I think Girish will highlight some more points for the presentation.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank you all for your time. Further, me and Girish will elaborate on the donation to build.
Introduction. Organ donation takes healthy organs and tissue from one person for transplantation into another. The first human organ transplant was kidney transplant performed in 1954. Definition. Organ donation is the process of surgical removing of organ or tissue from one person transplanting into another. Donation refers to donating human cells, tissues, organs intended for human application. Organs which can be donated are kidneys, pancreas, liver, heart, lungs, and intestine. Tissue which can be donated: cornea, skin, heart walls, middle ear, bone marrow, and tendon. Types. Two types of organ donations: living donor and dead donor, that is live and deceased. Live donations, surgical procedure to remove an organ or portion of organ from a living person and place it in another person whose organ is no longer functioning properly. One kidney, lung, or a portion of liver, pancreas, or intestine can be transplanted. Deceased donor. Deceased organ donation process of giving an organ of a donor death for the purpose of transplantation. Next. Steps of organ donation.
Steps for organ donation. First, identification of hospital. पहिला हॉस्पिटलमध्ये मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स पोटेन्शियल कॅन्डिडेट आयडेंटिफाय करतात. मग त्यानंतर इव्हॅल्युएशन ऑफ डोनर एलिजिबिलिटी. तिथे डोनरचे फिजिकल एक्झामिनेशन आणि हिस्ट्री चेक करतात की डोनर प्रेग्नेंट आहे की डोनरची डेथ झाली आहे. मग त्यानंतर ऑथरायझेशन ऑफ ऑर्गन रिकव्हरी. If organ designation is not identified, the family must give their consent in order for the donation process to proceed. Medical maintenance of patient. Family consent किंवा donor designation अप्रूव्ह झाले की डोनरला मेडिकली डोनेशनसाठी प्रेझेंट करतात. Matching organs to potential recipients. Recipient selection, blood type, body size, medical urgency आणि length of waiting listवर डिपेंड असते. Offering organs regionally then nationally. वेटिंग लिस्ट मध्ये पहिला रिजनल रेसिपिएंट्सला ऑफर करतात, मग नॅशनली. प्लेसिंग ऑर्गन्स अँड कोऑर्डिनेटिंग रिकव्हरी. जेव्हा रेसिडेंट मॅच होतो तेव्हा ऑपरेटिंग रूम्स, अरायवल्स अँड डिपार्चर्स ऑफ ट्रान्सप्लांट सर्जरी टीम्स अरेंज केली जातात बाय हॉस्पिटल्स. सर्जरी रिकव्हरी ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स ऑफ ऑर्गन्स. डोनरला ऑपरेटिंग रूममध्ये ऑर्गन्स अँड टिश्यूज रिकव्हर करतात बाय सर्जिकल प्रोसिजर्स आणि ऑर्गन्स प्रिझर्व करतात. प्रिपेरिंग रेसिपियंट्स फॉर सर्जरी. प्री ऑपरेटिव्ह प्रिपरेशन करून ऑर्गन ट्रान्सप्लांटेशन करतात. Distribution of organ. Other organs are taken directly to the recipient by surgical recovery team. Funeral and burial plans. After the donation of organ, the donor family can proceed with funeral and burial plans. आता आपल्याला कळालेलं आहे की ऑर्गन्सची किती कमतरता आहे. मग ह्या कमतरतेमुळे क्राईम्स पण खूप नवीन फॉर्म होत होते, जसे की ऑर्गन्स स्मगलिंग. लोकांना किडनॅप करून त्यांचे ऑर्गन्स वगैरे जबरदस्ती काढत होते आणि किंवा पैसे देऊन वेटिंग लिस्टमध्ये त्यांना जास्त प्रायोरिटी भेटण्यासाठी त्यांनी तसं करत होते पैसे देऊन. मग ह्यावर लॉस बनवली होती गव्हर्नमेंटने. नाव रेझोल्यूट द लॉस.
Some laws regarding the organ donation. Transplantation of Human Organ Act was passed in 1994. It aimed the regulation like removal, storage and transplantation of human organs. It also aimed the prevention of the commercial dealings of human organs. This act also defines process and criteria meant to be used for purpose of brain death certifications. This allows transplantation of human tissues and organs from the living donor as well as cadavers after brain death or cardiac death. Now, Madan.
Preservative methods. Organ preservation solution is specialized fluid that preserves organ outside. These solutions maintain viability and functions of organs for a certain period. First one, static cold storage. It has gradually become the gold standard method for organ preservation. It involves flushing the procured organ with preservation solution at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, then immersing the same temperature until transplantation. Then HMP, normothermic machine perfusion, subnormothermic machine perfusion. Importance of organ donation. One cadaver donation can provide life support to 8 members suffering from end stage organ damage. Organ donation contributes to medical research and advancement in transplantation techniques, leading to better outcomes, improving the patient's and their family quality of life, reducing the overall heart care cost compared to long-term medical treatments for organ failure. Organ donation creates new opportunities for disabled. Organ donation provides a second chance of life. Organ donation day, 13th August. World. Thank you.
Your presentation was nice in terms